again, welcome back. So this 2-minute tour is going to take us through our D2L site. I'm just going to show you around. Some of you might be more familiar with D2L than others, but this is the online platform, which is sort of our home for this course. There's lots of information here. I'm going to take you through the basics as we get started the semester. So across the top here, you see several tools. I'm just going to point some out. So the course materials tool is where all our content lives. This is where you're going to find where to get started in this course and all the way down through lots of information. The activities tool, you're going to have checklists. Each unit, each week has a checklist, which is a really good tool to stay organized with all the things that are required for that particular week. Also is our discussions tool, where it's going to list all the different discussions during the course of this semester that we're going to have, which are all online discussions where you have a chance to stay engaged and participate and share your perspectives on the different topics we discuss. And then third, under grades, you'll have your grades. This will sort of give you a scan of all the grades, but ultimately you'll just have your grade with all the different assignments that you're responsible for. Back to our home screen just for a moment. So again, this is what you'll see when you open up your page. This is what we'll call our announcements page. I'll either post some kind of funny cartoon and just a basic introduction to that week, what to expect, things that might be due, just a way for you and I to stay connected online. So this is going to tell you, welcome to your D2L site, get started, going to course materials tab, content tab, getting started module. So I'm just going to take you through that. So if you start here at course materials, then you go into content, and then you get into this getting started. Now this is where you're going to begin. There's first steps to complete by Wednesday, which takes you through a netiquette, 12 tips for participation in online forums. Please read that so that prepares you for our online discussion this week and all the rest of the weeks. Here's an important tool, your course syllabus. There's direct links here right to your syllabus, your course schedule. There are also separate links for those right in here, as you can see. There's also a course unit breakdown, which breaks the course into 3 units and gives you all the information you need. Here is your Meet Your Instructor, where you'll see a video of my first recording for you, and then you'll see this recording, so you'll have a chance to always go back to these to gather more information. This course has an ebook that is part of your tuition, so if you click on your ebook tab and you say Launch to ebook, that's going to take you right into your textbook, all online, very convenient for your use. And then the next step would be Unit 1. We have 4 weeks that are part of Unit 1. You might see draft at times, or you might not even see them listed at your end, but those are things that I'm working on sort of behind the scenes that will be posted on a timely basis of when you need that. So here's first week, for example, and it's going to take you through our introduction and all the different things we're going to be doing in the course of that particular week. So I think I'm going to stop here, but again, home screen, announcements, always be checking these several times a week. Again, this is sort of as if you were coming to class, this is where you would go. This is again how you and I will stay in touch with each other. And then going into course materials, under content, under getting started, and that's going to give you the steps to do in those first couple of days of the semester. So have a good start. I will see you online really quickly. Look forward to talking soon.